just clean here on our last day in Santa Maria. On this our last day here. Because I'm gonna go on the walk. Yeah. Yeah. So we're just clean out here at Santa Maria Beach, our last day here before heading back home. So I'm just taking in the sun. Yeah. I'm just gonna go on the walk.
You going on that rock?
Over here.
Okay, bud. Just be careful.
Yeah, I'll be careful. Okay.
Don't talk to any stranger.
You're funny. Okay. So I'm gonna sorry guys. I'm gonna show you guys where I'm going. Sorry guys. I'm gonna show you a weird. There we go. That's better. So I'm just going to this walk over here. There we go. So I'm just going to this walk over here. I'm just gonna walk on it. Just go on this walk and walk all around it. But I got to be careful when I'm filming because you know, this is hard work that I'm doing. I have to be very careful. Just I'm wearing shoes this time. Yeah. Yeah. In a minute. Here we go. So you guys can see me climb this rock. I gotta be very careful. In a minute. There we go. I'm making it. Woo! Oh yeah, guys. Now I got to sit down. Get to sit. I have to be really careful. Oh wow. Oh, that was hard work, guys. Hard work pays off, right? I'm gonna get back. Hang on, I'll get down here a little bit. There's your wall here, but I'll be okay. I'll manage. Okay. Oh, keep the. So guys, I have to keep my phone on me because there's people here, so I gotta have to be careful while I film when I'm sitting on this rock because there's other people behind this camera. Those are other people. So yeah. Woo. But maybe I will do this. I will do this. Okay, so I just want to show you the view here, because guys, I am literally lying down on a rock. Yo. Okay. Yo, this is awesome, guys. Yeah, I'm just saying, I'm just lying down on this rock right here. Behind me, there's a rock. Wow, talking. Now I can film over here now. So I have to keep the phone away from my face. I know it's hideous. I'm just kidding. Look at that. Look at that. View, huh? What a view. So this is our last stay here at Santa Maria before we get back home to Creston. That's where I live. I live in Creston. If you guys didn't know or didn't know that, now you know. And that's awesome. There's a little. I wish I could show you, but I can't. But, I know that, but this looks amazing. There we go. I got my eggs up, filming the video. Yeah. As you guys may, I don't know if you guys know this about me. When it comes to me climbing a mountain of rocks, I'm crazy. Let me know in the comments down below if you do the same thing. Yo, this is awesome, yo. Yeah, guys, look at this view. Amazing view. Wow. There's a person over there, I think, taking photos, but can't like me. But my personality shows through videos. Look at that. Is that? Yo, that's awesome. All on here, baby. All on here. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just staying on this walk, just taking in the amazing view over here that I showed you. So yeah, guys, just like I said, this is our last day here at Santa Maria. Guess we're going back home on Tuesday. But by the time you see this video, will be for the next day. Because I did a video that I still have to upload to my I have a video that that is on my laptop that is ready to be uploaded. And that video will be on my main channel. I think that sounds about right. Yeah, so that video that I saved on my laptop, that video will be for my main channel. This video that you're seeing right here will be for my second channel, the Gibb Family Vlogs channel. If you guys want to go and subscribe to my Gibb Family Vlogs channel, go to youtube.com/@Gibb Family Vlogs. The link is down below in the description. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna make my way down these rocks right here. I'm gonna film myself going down these rocks. I'm gonna try my best to do that. The things that I do for you guys, for fun, entertaining videos, this is the risk that I take to give you guys the best content I can possibly give out to you. Because I do the best content for all of you. Like, I'm a kid filming a video while going down these rocks. I'm legit risking my life to give you guys free entertainment videos. I'm risking my life. I am risking my life for you guys, because I know you guys love that. Oh damn, this is hard. Filming while I'm walking down these rocks, man, it's a beat. If I could make it, guys, if I can make it to this rock, I can easily get down from now. Hey, look at those Jan's end. I'm just kidding. Here's my dad walking towards me. Oh no, he's stalking me. Just kidding. I got it. Just have to feel the way. Just have to feel my way. I'll be okay. But thank you guys. All hell kiss my whore. I'm barely looking the years. Let me know in the comments down below if you think I'm barely looking then kissing my whore. Let me know in the comments if you think that. I don't know. I don't know if I am or not. I don't know if I am or not. But let me know in the comments down below if you think I'm barely looking then kissing my whore. Woo! It's your super heel. Woo! Oh, damn, my heart stopped a little bit. Damn, I made it down these rocks. Holy damn. Man. Look at the view here, guys. Look at that view. I'm just gonna walk down. And guys, this is one of my favorite things to do. Just walking on the beach. This is one of my favorite things to do. Let me know in the comments down below if you love doing this too. I would love to know if you love doing this with your boyfriend or girlfriend. Oh, the waves look amazing here. But I'm doing the way. I'm trying my best to not feel no. There's a hat here. I don't know who this is. I don't know. Guys, I don't know whose this hat is. Oh, there you go. I just found it right here. Yo, the first nice thing I've ever done was giving the young girl her hat back. That's what I do. That's what I do. That is what I do. I give back. And I just show you guys I show you guys what I did. I gave the young girl her hat back. Because that's the kind of person I am. I love to give back. Yeah, we're just walking around the beach. Uh, yeah. So my family is over there. That's my family over there. Oh, I can also know by on camera because half of these people here don't. Well, people in the Royal don't have no clothes on, so I'm not allowed to film those people. I'm not allowed to because I have respect for people. I have respect for that. If you don't have respect, you don't have nothing at all. Yo, this. Okay. Woo! Damn, this is awesome. Look at this, guys. Look at this amazing view. And this is our last day here. Our last day here before we leave to get back home. Because we're going back home because we are going back home on Tuesday. On Tuesday, we will leaving to get home. Just on Tuesday, we are going back home to we're going back home to Creston. We're going back home to Creston on Tuesday. So by the time you see this video, will be the next day, which is a Monday. Because I have a video that I need to upload on my main channel, but this video here that I'm doing will be on my second channel. And if you guys want to go and subscribe to my second channel, go to youtube.com/Gibb Family Vlogs. The link is down below in the description. Yo, this looks amazing, guys. Like, look at the view. Really taking over the world. Yo, there's your doggy. Your doggy. I have to back away because on the Royal, I have to back away. I have to back away because the Royal comes. And how about I'll show you guys instead. The Royal, because this is the shore right here, and the Royal pushes out over here. Yeah, you see? These are waves. Yo, come on, boy, wait up. Yo, doggy. Hey, look, there's a dog. Yo, doggy. Hey, dog. Hey, doggy. Hey, buddy. Hi. What's your name? Tom? Okay, guys, I'm sorry. Those are all people here. And this is our last day. Well, I'm not going to talk about it anymore. Yeah. This looks amazing. Yeah. So I think I already showed you my family already. So I'm starting this vlog off at the Santa Maria Beach. That's where I'm starting this video from. So I am starting this vlog from the Santa Maria Beach. And I'm gonna continue this vlog throughout the day so you guys can see what else I'm gonna be filming as well. So, but I'm starting this, and I'm starting this video off at the Santa Maria Beach. That's where I am at right now. Amazing. And also, I have to talk to you guys about something. About a new editor that I have. I have a new editor now. But not like someone that's helping me edit my videos. Not that. I have a brand new editor. I have a new. I am. Yeah. What am I going to say? I have this new editing software that I'm using. Oh. Good thing I didn't film that. It will not be good. So I have a brand new editing software that I edit these vlogs. It's called CapCut. And I'm going to leave the link to CapCut down in the description below, so you guys can go and check out CapCut yourself by clicking on the link down below in the description. And maybe, yeah. So I gotta head back now to my family. I just wanted to walk around the beach. Yes. Let's go back. So I have to film this down here, because I don't. Maybe I could show some people, but I have to blur that. I have to blur some people here, because I don't want my video to be demonetized by YouTube. Man, these waves are horrendous. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that beautiful view. Oh, I meant here. Look at this amazing view. Okay, guys, I have to go back now, and I'll continue this vlog later on in the. This clip you're seeing here is one of the clips that you guys are going to be seeing in this vlog. There's going to be other clips too. You know that. So I have to head back, because we got to go back to the house and make the Christmas dinner. Merry Christmas to everyone all around the world. I just have to put your camera on me, because you have to blow. There's some people here. I have to blow it. I have to blow out some people out here, because I don't want my channel to get demonetized by me showing people who are wearing different. I just can't have that on my channel. Oh yeah, we're going now. We have to go now. So I have to end this clip right here, but I will film a bunch of other clips after this one. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment some positive down below. Okay, so now guys, we are now just leaving Santa Maria right now. I'm not nervous about filming in public. I'm not. Because I just do the best I can to give you guys free content. Yeah, so we're just heading back to the car now. We're just heading back to the parking lot right now. So, yeah, we're just heading back to the parking lot right now because we're going back to the house. And I'll film another couple clips for you guys when we get back to the house. Yo, good morning, Warriors. I hope you guys had a great Christmas and Merry Christmas to every single one of you all around the world. I am now going down and start cleaning a little bit. Just gonna put that down. Flip my camera so you can.
You're doing tidy, right?
Yes, I will. I will do that. That's the part of my video today. I'm going to show you guys around the house to make sure that there's nothing left here. Because, sometimes I forget stuff, Sometimes I do forget stuff. And let me know in the comments down below if you are the same way too. That's why I'm filming this video. Okay, so you see here, I got my laptop there. I got my laptop. My underpants will make poopy. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding about that, guys. I'm kidding. This video is gonna be family friendly. So here's my underpants where I make poopy. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding about that. Got my underpants, underwear, whatever it's called. I don't know. I got my laptop over here. Cause as you guys can see, this part of my room that I have here is my office. This is your office space. I don't know if you guys can see it. My laptop is connected to the outlet down on there's your outlet over here on the left under there. So my laptop is connected to under there. Okay, so you see what I'm dealing with today. And here's what I'm dealing with today. My laptop, my coffee cup, my slippers, my sandals, my your charger cord, my swimming goggles. Let me know in the comments down below if you use these for swimming also. Let me know in the comments below. I got my swimming goggles. My slippers, my shoes, my case for my goggles, my sandals, my hat, my wallet, my mask. And over here, this is where, and guys, this is where the magic happens. And this is where the magic happens and where the cookies are made. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding, guys. Yo, I had a really scary encounter last night when I was sleeping. I had just a little bit of a scary encounter in this room. I was just sitting down on my bed, just casually watching a movie, and in the blink of an eye, I saw a mouse running through the night table, under the night table, and that was all because I did this. I left the door open. I left the freaking door open, and because of me leaving the door open, there was a mouse over there. There was a mouse under that night table, running around under there. And the scary part of it is, I don't know where we went. It's somewhere in this room, or it's somewhere outside. I don't know. Well, it's a mystery to me, so. Yeah, so that's what I'm dealing with today. I'm gonna get this going to make sure that I got everything. So this is what I pack normally when. So these are the stuff that I pack all the time when I travel a lot. I pack all these stuff. This is only my luggage bag. But let's see what I pack in my other bag. So I'm gonna start over here. I got on this little bag that I bought in Winners back in Kerouac. Because I used to live in Kerouac, if you guys didn't know that. Well, I think a lot of you guys know that because I started my career on YouTube in that house. If you guys didn't know that. I bought this bag in Winners back in Kerouac. That's where I bought this. Back in Kerouac. I bought this bag. And I wanted a bag that I can carry on a plane for when we travel. So I bought this bag for that. Got that. I got my tablet case. I bring my tablet. And it comes with your zipper. And inside, there was my charger cord for my tablet. This right here is my laptop bag that I put my laptop in. When we travel, I bring my laptop everywhere. Because I do videos like this when we travel. That's what I do. I put my laptop in this bag and I put everything in it. My laptop for the editing, all my tripods, all my camera gear in this bag. Then all I have is my movies that I watch and all that. And in this video, I'm gonna show you guys the way I pack my. And in this video right here, I'm going to show you guys how I pack all my stuff in my luggage bag. That's the part of this video. But now, I'm not going to do that right now because I have to go around the house to make sure that I got everything for the way back home. Because we're going back home today. No. We're going back home tomorrow. Because we're going back home tomorrow because tomorrow, Tuesday, December 26th, is the day that we'll leave in Cabo. So by the time you'll be seeing this video, we'll be back at our hotel back in Abbotsford. Guess we have to get back home the next day, which is Tuesday, December 26th, the day after Christmas. There was a vacuum going off. So I'm going to give you just a little bit of a tour around the house, and I'll show you guys what we're dealing with. And I'm going to be, and in the next clip, you'll be seeing me packing my stuff up for the next day, because we're going home tomorrow. Because it's today's the 26th, tomorrow's the 27th. So we're going back home tomorrow, the 27th, the day after Christmas. So I'm gonna give you an here's my your swales and all that. And let me know in the comments below if you are a Jets fan. Because I'm not. We got all these tiles. And these are tiles that we do art on. This one right here, this your tile right here, that's my dad's tile. Because as you guys know, my family are big Broncos fans. And let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite football team? That's all you have to know. Because my dad and Brian clean a car over there. And this is what we're dealing with. This is the garage. This is the garage. Maybe I'll show you guys this is the garage, right? This is the garage right here. This is where we store our golf cart. We have a golf cart here, but it's not working. I'm gonna show you guys it. Then over here, this is where the golf cart stays. I have to watch my step. I almost fell and broke an artificial hip. I'm just kidding about that. So this is our golf cart. This is why I drive to the country club. There is a country club here that we go to swim, buy a couple of drinks, and buy some and get something to eat at the country club. So at the golf and country club, that we go to sometimes, I use this to drive to the country club, there and back to the house. This is the vehicle. This is the golf cart that I use when I drive to the country club. This is what I use. But right now I am not going in it because it's actually broken. It's not working. So I just want to show you guys that. This is the garage. This is where we store this right here is where we store the golf cart and my cousin's truck. My cousin owns a truck, but it's not here right now because someone is using it. I'm not allowed to talk about that because it's a personal thing. Here's the freezer. And now, let's get back to what this video is originally about. I'm just going to go around the house to see if I forgot something or anything, because sometimes I forget stuff.
Your granddad?
Yeah?
Is that yours? Where are you?
I'm right here.
Where? Is that yours?
Oh, yes, yeah.
It fell out in the truck.
Oh, okay, thank you, Dad.
Okay, put it where it's supposed to be.
And this is what I'm talking about, guys. This is what I'm talking about. Sometimes I forget stuff. I left this in the truck. And that's what this video is about. So let's see here. Here, guys, look at the bathroom here. I'm not going to show over there. I'm not going to. But look at the tile. Just look at this. Just look at the granite countertops. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? It's so beautiful. Wait, God. Oh, you know, my grandma wants to see me. Hi, Nana.
Don't take a picture of me.
No, no, no.
I don't. That's okay. That's all right. I am beautiful anyway.
Yeah.
Take one of both of us.
A video?
Yes. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God.
There we go.
Hello.
Yeah. That's my grandma?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yep. There we go. I'm on a movie.
Yeah.
And when do they show it in the theater?
Well, that would be awesome.
Preston. Oh, here it is. Brandon Gibb and his nana.
Oh, yeah.
91-year-old nana.
I see that.
There we go.
These are yours, bud.
Good.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Mom.
Very good.
Awesome. And just look at the countertops here. Look at the countertop. Look at this. Let me know in the comments below if you have anything like this at your house. And here's me. Yeah, big. Okay. And here's me. Oh yeah, kiss my hoe baby. I'm Bill looking and kiss my hoe.
Right. Now, try not to, like, what towel are you using in here, bud?
I'm only using one towel. And that's where your head is.
What?
Those towels in there, I'm only using one.
Okay, right.
Yeah, I'm just gonna make sure there's nothing in this your room, you know. Oh no, not that one. Sorry. Yo, hang on a minute, I have to put 7 down. Because this is what this feels about. I'm just giving you guys your tour of the house. Just to show you guys that I didn't forget anything. Because as you guys may know, I always forget my stuff. So that's what this video is about. Got my stuff there, got my laptop. I already showed you that, so I'm not gonna show you again. And we're just gonna go upstairs and see if I forgot anything. And guys, look at that. A nice swam on you. These stairs. Okay, let's see if I forgot anything up here. Let's see. Is there anything here that I forgot?
Okay, you need to start packing your bag, Brandon.
Okay, Mom, I will. Okay, just making sure I didn't forget anything. No, I have everything. I'll be right out. Don't focus on my channel. Okay. Let's see, do I forget anything here? No. Did I forget anything near the hot tub? I don't think I do. Yarn tails. There's a fridge over there. No, all clean, all ready to go. Okay, so out here it's okay, because there's nothing here that I forgot. There's nothing here that I forgot. So now I'm gonna, and I have to go and pack my suitcase, and I'll film that for you guys. Anything on the table I forgot? Nope.
I gotta have a pen carry. Do you want to show me?
Do I forget anything here? We got a bunch of oil over here. Just gonna make my round, trying to see if there's anything I forgot here. Our kettle. No, all cleaned. Okay. There was nothing in the living room. You guys are gonna see my feet. So I will show you guys here. So I gotta have to end this clip right here, just so I can pack my suitcase and I'll film my already. I have to end this clip right here. So guys, I have to end this clip right here, just so I can pack my suitcase and I will film another clip of my stuff in my suitcase. I got to pack my suitcase right now, just so I can get it done, and I will show you guys on the next clip after this one. Okay, and my suitcase will be packed in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this part of my luggage is all done. I just have to do this part, and that will be it. And all I need to put in this part is all these clothes over here, and my tech stuff, over there. And that's all I need to do. And that's all I need to do.